Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch T5 True Wireless Sport McLaren PGA Edition earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your phone, or if they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. You can do this hard reset. And it will fix a lot of those issues. Now, if you decide to just get a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set these earbuds up like new, we can just wipe everything off of it, delete all the pairing history, and go ahead and do that. All we need to do is go ahead and take our earbuds out of the case, and we're just going to press and hold the button on the back of both of the earbuds for 8 seconds. And we can actually listen to the earbuds while we do this, because if we listen, they'll actually give us, after those 8 seconds, it'll give a little voice prompt that says earphones are reset in both of the earphones, at which point we can go ahead and put them back in the case, close the case, take them out of the case, and then set them up like you're taking them out for the first time.